Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to set ringtone from YouTube. So, let's get started. Start by opening the YouTube app. Search for the ringtone you want on YouTube. Open the chosen ringtone video. Tap the top right settings. 3 dots button. Select the option to listen with YouTube Music. The ringtone plays in YouTube Music. Click the 3 dots again in YouTube Music. Tap Download, requires YouTube Premium. You must buy YouTube Premium to download the ringtone and set it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.